I think there are a couple of unique strengths in the global health ecosystem that really position global health to tackle some of the problems that we have coming our way, such as climate change. So global health is fundamentally very cross-disciplinary. It's focused on fostering cross-disciplinary collaborations. Individuals who are working in global health really come from all kinds of backgrounds. You have physicians, you have engineers, you have technologists, you have economists, you have anthropologists. And we have seen with COVID-19 that one has to be able to approach some of these large global problems from different angles and from different lenses. And the global health ecosystem has really started to emphasize the importance of fostering cross-disciplinary collaborations in recent years and viewing everybody working in the space as an equal partner. So that, I think, is a very positive change that bodes well for the future of the field of global health. The other positive change that has come about in recent years is a focus on decolonization. So historically, global health has really been rooted in high-income countries, both in terms of where the funds are disbursed from and the institutions that profess to claim to do global health. So in recent years, researchers, academics, practitioners have really been pushing back against these structures and suggesting that we need to do a lot more to try and democratize access to training, democratize access to knowledge, and really situate global health institutions in parts of the world where disease burdens are highest and where individuals are trying to work and promote health equity. So this discourse is, in my opinion, a cause of great hope, because one of the issues with the field has, in my opinion, been its colonial legacy and its locus in high-income countries and in the developed world. The developing world then just becomes a location and a space which is having global health done to it, as opposed to being an equal partner in the endeavor of furthering health equity. So I think there are some positive changes taking place in the global health ecosystem that bode well for the field. But one alarming development over the last couple of years has been the inequity that we've seen when it comes to vaccine distribution, when it comes to pharmaceutical distribution during a global health crisis, during COVID-19. So that really suggests to us that a lot more work needs to be done in furthering health equity, in building institutions and building structures that will enable us to do global health better and avoid some of the pitfalls that the field has suffered from in the past. So I would say that I have a lot of hope for what we can achieve in global health. But at the same time, our experience over the last 2 years with COVID-19 does suggest that we need to be wary and continue to push the field in the direction that it needs to go, which is furthering health equity around the world and really putting the needs of countries and populations that don't have access to good healthcare foremost.